If you have started to think about replacing your traditional door lock with a digital one, you might have already started your search online or might be wondering where to start and what to look for. If you have started to search online, you would come across many locks which almost look the same at the first glance. The purpose of this video is to help you to understand the finer points of differences which would play a crucial role in your purchase decision. We will divide this information into 5 segments. Please watch the video till the end as it also contains a bonus segment towards the end. Let's start with the first one, control and convenience. Being able to seamlessly manage the different kinds of accesses for your family members and house helps should be a key criteria in your purchase decision. In most of the locks available in the market, you can do so only through the device. Now this is a very cumbersome process because you will have to follow a multi-step flow chart for adding or removing a user. In addition to this, you can't even add a user name, but they get assigned a user code instead. In MyGet locks, you can not only customize the type of access, that is fingerprint, RFID or PIN, but also provide the access based on your need, that is permanent access that would work all the time or one-time access or a recurring access. For example, suppose your house help visits your house at 7:30 am in the morning. You can provide them with a daily recurring fingerprint access that would work between 7 am and 8 am. This is really better than providing them with a manual key or a password that can be easily copied or shared. And the best part is, whenever someone tries to open the lock, you will get real-time notified on the MyGet app itself. MyGet locks also give you an option to revoke or remove the access remotely. For example, you have given access to your door lock to your house help and now you are going on a vacation, but you need to pause or revoke the access. Now this is possible via the MyGet app on a simple click of a button. None of the other locks in the market give you such level of control. And did I mention, all the users are saved with the username and not user 1 and user 2. Another really important aspect is to check if the lock supports Wi-Fi. If the lock does not support Wi-Fi, you will not get real-time notifications of the usage or the tampering. You will also not be able to unlock the lock remotely via the app. Few other locks in the market are only Bluetooth enabled and others which are Wi-Fi capable. This means that these locks can become Wi-Fi enabled if you purchase a separate device called as Wi-Fi gateway with an additional cost of 5K to 10K. On the other hand, MyGet locks come with inbuilt Wi-Fi, which means you need not purchase any additional device. During a free installation process, the locks get seamlessly connected to your home's Wi-Fi and start working with the MyGet app. Let's now move on to the third segment and talk about the quality as the key criteria for purchase decision. MyGet locks are ISO 9001 certified, which means you can be assured of the quality of the product. Our locks undergo stringent tests like life cycle test of 1 lakh times, which translate to 15 plus years of use with 20 operations per day. This gives us the confidence to offer 3 years of product warranty on MyGet locks, which is generally not offered by other brands in India. We also take the responsibility of being a phone call away for any kind of service request for the next 10 years to come. Another really important criteria that you should consider is data privacy. Most of the Wi-Fi enabled locks in the market operate on a China-based app called the Tuya app. Since the Tuya app is not directly available in India, these lock brands go forward with the white label brand of Tuya called the Smart Life app. Before you make such a decision of purchasing a product that operates on a Chinese app, you should be mindful about your data privacy, as the Indian government can ban these apps at any point of time. In such a situation, it would become really difficult for you to operate the app and manage your lock. MyGet has solved this issue by integrating the locks on the MyGet app, with all your data residing on MyGet servers in India. Client confidentiality is deeply embedded in the ethos of MyGet. We also follow GDPR guidelines for data privacy and security, making us one of the best in the industry. For example, MyGet users can delete their access records or usage history with a simple click of a button. Few locks are available in the market where the fingerprint sensor is on the lock panel and not the handle itself. It makes a 2-step process to unlock the door. First, you have to scan your fingerprint and verify the access. Secondly, you have to turn the handle to unlock the door. Whereas in the MyGet locks, the fingerprint sensor is embedded on the door handle itself so that you can seamlessly unlock the door. Not only this, the design of the MyGet locks is very unique and elegant. Unlike all other products available in the market, which are like box shaped, The elegant curve of the MyGate lock body enhances the overall aesthetic appeal. In addition to this, you get to choose from 3 options available in the MyGate locks with 2 color variants each, tailored according to the needs of each house. As discussed in the starting of this video, we have reached the bonus segment where we show you the MyGate Lock Pro. The MyGate Lock Pro comes with an additional sensor which gives you the real-time door status and the auto deadbolt locking mechanism. Real-time door status. This means that you can check the status of your door, opened or closed from wherever you are. Sometimes while leaving the house we wonder if the door was locked properly or not. Solving for the same need, we have designed the MyGate Lock Pro where you can check the status of the door real-time on your app. This unique USP you will not find anywhere in any locks in the market. So, MyGate Lock is the best choice. Don't just take my word for it. Book a free demo at the comfort of your home and start experiencing the MyGate locks.